I remember the last time I saw him. We were in the airport and we were leaving, and he called us over because he drove us there. And as we were leaving, he called us over and he said goodbye. And he hugged me. I was so small, I only got up right below his chest. And I could feel his stomach going in and out. And I remembered the smell of it. But I've forgotten his face now. He died the year after we got here. And I sometimes wonder, what does he think about me? Does he think I'm a failure? Is he proud of me? Would he have still wanted to be my grandfather? You know. But then other days I wonder, who would he be? Would he be the man I idolized? Or would I see him as a person? I'll never know. But I miss him. I miss him every day. Even if I don't think about him every day, I just